This is the hidden armrest storage box made just for the 2025 plus Tesla Model Y Juniper. It blends in perfectly with the original design and gives you a clean, secure space to store your essentials. To install, just peel off the protective film from the adhesive backing. Then carefully align it under the center armrest, press it down firmly, and it's locked in place. Once installed, it feels solid. No rattles, no movement, just smooth, hidden storage that looks factory installed. Store your cards, cash, or garage remote with confidence. Click the link in the description to order yours now. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Tesla upgrades.